Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Unlock Your Learning. In this video we are going to solve NCERT Maths Class 7 exercise 1.4 question number 1. So friends, without wasting any time, let us begin. So this one is evaluate each of the following. Now some questions are again given, and here some of them are division, and also we have to do addition and subtraction side by side. So this we have to solve, right? First one is minus 30. Alright, this is the A part, and it is minus 30 divided by 10. So when you open the brackets, minus 30 divided by 10, and that will be minus 3, because 30 divided by 10 is 3. Alright, and plus minus is minus, right? So minus 3 becomes the answer. Let us move on to the next part. Now next part is 50 divided by minus 5. So same thing here as well. When we'll open the brackets first off, this is the B part. Alright, so this becomes 50 divided, and without the brackets minus 5, and that will be, first we will divide 50 by 5. Alright, so that's going to be 10, and plus minus is minus, so minus 10 becomes the answer. Let us move on to the next part. Now next one is minus 36 divided by minus 9. Alright, the C part. Now this you can see both of these have the brackets, so we will open them up, and when we open the brackets the sign stay the same in division, right? So this is minus 36 only divided by minus 9. So first of all we'll divide 36 by 9, that is 4 times. Alright, and which sign will we put? Minus minus is plus sign, right? So just leave it like this. So 4 becomes the answer. Let's move on to the next part. Now next one is the D part, and this one is minus 49 divided by 49, right? So same thing, open the bracket, so minus 49 divided by 49, and now we divide this, so we get 1, and which sign to put? Minus plus minus, right? So minus 1 becomes the answer. Let us move on to the E part. And now moving on to the E part, this is 13 divided by, so in curly brackets and then in the normal brackets, minus 2 plus 1. Sorry, not the curly brackets but the bigger ones, right? Now we will solve the first question inside this bigger bracket, right? So 13 divided by, this much part will stay the same, and inside the bracket we'll open the brackets. This one minus 2, when you open the bracket, so it will be minus 2 plus 1, then you close it. So 13 divided by, and then in the bigger brackets what? 2 minus 1, 1, and minus 1, right? That is 13 divided by minus 1 simply. So this goes how many times? 13 times, right? So 13 divided by 1 is 13, and which sign will you put? Plus and minus is minus, right? So minus 30. Let us head on to the next part. And now moving on to the F part, right? This one is 0 divided by minus 12. Now this very simple, you don't need to open the brackets or anything. 0 divided by any number is always 0. So here also we'll write the answer 0. No need to show any calculation, just write 0 simply. So 0 becomes the answer. Let us head on to the next part. Now moving on, this is in the G part. Alright, minus 31 divided by, and in the bigger brackets, and then minus 30 plus minus 1. Same things here also. We will open the brackets, and this one will be solved first, which is inside the bigger brackets. So this one also we will open. So this will become minus 31 without the brackets, then divided by, and the bigger brackets will stay here as it is. Then minus 30 will become minus 30 only. Now plus minus minus, right? So minus 30 minus 1, and then you close this. So minus 31 divided by, in the brackets 31 because they have the same sign, so we add them. 31 and minus minus is minus, right? Because here we are doing addition, but in division minus minus will be plus. Here in addition is minus, right? Now this, and then you open this thing once again, minus 31 divided by minus 31, so that is going to be 0, and they have the same signs, minus minus, so they are going to have the same sign, so 1, and if we put the sign minus minus is plus, right? So you write here just 1 simply, right? This becomes the answer. Let's head on to the next part. And now on to the h part, and this one is, this is h, right? This is in the bigger brackets first, and then minus 36 divided by 12. Alright, you close the brackets, divided by 3. So this also, first of all, the part inside this brackets, that is the bigger one, gets solved, right? So this will be minus 36 divided by 12, and that divided by 3. This we will solve. So 36 divided by 12 is 3, and which sign will we put? Plus minus, right? That is minus. So minus 3 still in the brackets, divided by 3. And when we open the brackets, right, so minus 3 divided by plus 3, that will be 1, and minus plus is minus, so minus 1. Alright, so minus 1 is the answer. Let us move on to the next part. On to the last part, this is the I part, and it says, again in the bigger brackets first, minus 6 plus 5, alright, then we close these brackets here, alright, and then divided by, then in the bigger brackets, minus 2 plus 1. Alright, this you can erase. So now this you solve, the parts inside the brackets will be solved first, as we know. So minus 6 plus 5. Here I am not opening the brackets. If you want to, you can, right? So let's just open it. So minus 6 plus 5 divided by, and then again minus 2 plus 1. So minus 6 plus 5 will be minus 1 divided by, then again in the brackets minus 2 plus 1, this will also be minus 1. So minus 1 divided by minus 1 is going to be 1 only, and which sign will we put? Minus minus is plus sign, right? So 1 becomes our answer. And friends, this is all for today. If you are new to my YouTube channel, do not forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon down below so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Also leave a like on this one. Till then, take good care of yourself. Bye bye.